Hello, my musical friends. Today I want to talk about the Boom Chuck Strum. It's a very popular strumming pattern. It's used a lot in bluegrass and country and any other type of music where a good, strong, rhythmic 4/4 beat is required. In 4/4 time, you want to hit a bass note, you want to strum, hit an alternating bass note, and strum. That's your 4 beats. Here's an example using a G chord at a moderate speed. So you want to start by hitting the bass string of the chord you're playing. You want to start with the root or the tonic. For a G chord, you want to hit the G note. So if you're playing a G chord, this string, that's your G. When I play that G chord, I'm going to that note. That's a better note in the chord to hit as an alternate bass note. Generally, a chord diagram will have a string that has an X or is somehow shown that you don't want to play it. Those are the strings you definitely don't want to use as bass strings. So when we switch that chord to a C, we want to hit the tonic, the root, so we want to hit a C as the first bass note. So there's your C. But what a lot of people do with the C chord, they alternate with another note in the chord, and that is a G. To alternate the C chord using the Boom Chuck Strum pattern is to, and then shift your ring finger up there. So it goes like this. Now if that's hard, you can play this note is not the best note as a bass note. To me, this definitely sounds better. If we're playing a song in the key of G, we play a G chord, we will play a C chord, and then the most common other chord to play is a D chord. G, the C, and then the D. 1, 4, 5. So to play a D chord in the Boom Chuck style, you again want to hit that tonic, that root, which is a D. Here's your D. The next best note to play is the A. Now you have an open A string right above there. So what a lot of people do, like the C chord, is they alternate just like the C. The advantage with the D is you don't have to move a finger on the chord. Honey and I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I will answer your questions. Please like, subscribe. I'll put a link to my series of videos on singing with scales. I will see you in my next video.